So, hi, let's look at Chapter 9, Chapter Test, Question 7. So in here, the figure shows you that ACF and BDF are straight lines. AC is 16, CF is 8, BD is 20, DF is 10. So you can see that all those numbers are written on the diagram as well. So if there's a question they didn't write the numbers into the diagram, it's always good practice to write it down so you can see it yourself. So part A, they ask you to prove that AFB and CFD are similar. So let's look at it. AFB, this AFB, and then CFD. So here it is. So in order to prove that they are similar triangles, you only have AAA, three sides proportional, ratio of two sides include the angle. So by looking at it, you don't have all three lengths. You don't have AB, you don't have CD. So therefore, you only have two sides. And where is the third information? The third information is the included angle. So look at the two sides and the angles in between them. You can see that both of those triangles, the angles are F. So you know that that is a common angle. So now all you have to do is write out your answer. So again, the lengths are not equal to each other, but we're talking about the ratio of the length. So look at the AF is what they gave you, and a lot of you, when you look at AF, you say it's 16, but AF is not 16, it's 16 plus 8, right? And CF is 8, so therefore it's 3. And then you can see that AF is in the numerator, so therefore all the information from your triangle AFB, please also put it in the numerator, because if sometimes you put it in numerator, sometimes you put it in denominator, then it will be different. And again, BF is not 20 but 20 plus 10. And again, the ratio is 3. So make sure you simplify your ratio. Both of them should be same number. So don't keep it as 30/10 for one of those and then 3 for the other one. Make sure you tell me they are both equals to 3. You have to simplify your answer for me. And also, please write this line as well. So both of them are 3 and therefore the ratios are the same. You have to show this line as well. And then here it comes our angle. So a lot of you write angle F equals angle F. Please again write out the full name of the angle. So it is a common angle. Some of you write common side. So please be careful. So therefore, you can say that they are similar, and with the ratio of two sides include angle. So this is part A. And then part B, it says prove that these two angles are equal to each other. So let's see where are these angles. So ABC. So using the color. ABC. And also BCD. So angle ABC is here. And BCD is here. So when you look at it, what can you see? How do I prove them they're equal? So if we look at it, we can see that this is here. So maybe if we can prove that our AB is parallel to CD, then we can say that those angles are equal. But the thing is, how do we prove that AB is parallel to CD? So let's look at it. Because in part A, you prove that your AFB is similar to triangle CFD. Prove that in your part A. then you can say angle BAF equals angle DCF because of your corresponding angles, similar triangles. So if we can say that your BAF is equals to DCF, and if these two angles are equal, so look at it, what do you see? You can see that this thing here. So what is this? Is something you learned previously, your corresponding angles equal. So therefore, you can now say the angle AB is parallel to CD due to corresponding angles equal. So you prove the lines are parallel, so you use equal. And since they are parallel, then you can look at the red one now. So therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle BCD. Alternate angles, and you're using the parallel line now, so say that you use the parallel line. So still some of you sometimes write equal, but you write parallel line as well. So please do not mix them. So now you got all those information. So you can see that this type of question you always mix with your chapter 6 or some previous knowledge. So make sure you know how to write your reason. So make sure you know how to write all this. So if you got questions, then you can always ask.